yeah, Soundstream is, it kind of fell off, but I was really going for a subwoofer that can handle all the power. I'm running 7,000 watts. So, all Brazilian amps. Yeah. Soundstream, like, they kind of fell off, but if you want bass, you gotta have something with a lot of X-Max that can handle a lot of power. And also, I wanted something that took very little airspace. So the Soundstreams fit my box build better.
You made this is like, I can't believe I'm seeing this.
Oh, thank you, I know. I did it all. All the hard lines, everything. This is actually a trick. Now it's hand painted, ready to rock and roll. Yeah, let me wait, take a video.